Yeah, straighten that out so the judges can see. Dwayne. Oh, nada. Oh! Denied. Dwayne got rejected. That might have hammered it on there. I don't know if the viewers at home can see. Right there. Was that a ringer? Dwayne. We got close. I don't know if he's throwing them or if he's skipping them. What the hell is that? Must be this teeter totter. Here's Dwayne. Look at that. Look at that form. Follow through too. That's great form. Notice how his hand is like this. Got Francis. Excellent form. Doesn't follow through though.
So you know the Indian trick, how to put that out?
Put who out? Oh, look at that. He's got a cigarette at the base of the... Hey, first one to put that out wins. Start over right from here. Nope. Pressure's on. Yep. It's still smoking though.
Still smoking.
So the viewers at home can see it's still smoking. 7-8. Yeah. Let's get this form in. Oh, look at that. Look at that arm. Doesn't move till he hears the thump. Oh. Francis.
Money.
Ooh. Sounds like it. Ooh. Oh, I thought we had a double whammy for Frankie.
Shy and both.
Jeez. 10-7? Damn. Cigarette has been replaced. We still have not a shoe to do it. Dwayne, if the shoe fits.